Kajing knyum jong wei ubar jela da kabaong ba kajing le niam yat Eucharist Procession jong kabalang Catholic hakani kanong ba Shillong kapentut ya kayat kayeng jong kipat ba naba kawanra ya kajing dheng kali hakaling kasor hakaba uni ubar jela ubala soy kerteng da utaw Singhania ubala pha da kajing tho ya kani kajing knyum jong u lingba ka email syakaway nikikot kubor paring hakani kajela ka Highland Post hakabenta jong ka letter to editor. Kalawan ra kajing bam snow tenat ia kani kajing Kren jong ni ubar jela kamtam nikipat riunget Kristan. Halor kani kashithi kaba uniu Singhania kaba ulapha sya uway nikinong mi khmat sya kaying darbar thawan kajela na Shillong North Constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum ulapan painya kala halor kani kajing tho jong niu Singhania bat bo jingkeli kala ya uniu bar jela babale udon jingthut ya kani ka jingle niam kabalang Catholic hanong ba Shillong kabajulong shisin ha ka shisnem.
At the outset, myself as one of the responsible public representative who represents the constituency of mixed population to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and myself as a person, I love peace and hate discrimination and communal, for which I stand here intentionally to encounter the statement published in the news of the Highland Post yesterday the 13th, the letter to the editor written by the so-called Singhania. I do really wanted to dwell on detail, but I will not go in detail. I will go specific according to his statement where he made. I will read: the double standard in response to inconveniences during other cultural events such as pujas, may I repeat, such as pujas, raise question about fairness and consistency in governance. Who are you, Mr. Singhania? Are you the bona fide resident of a state, or are you just a tenant in a state? I am very hurt as myself. I am proud as a Catholic congregation, and I am also part of the procession. I therefore challenge you, kindly come in front of the media and show yourself, speak the truth, and come out, explain what do you mean by mentioning or comparing the procession held by Catholic congregation. As well, in your statement, mention other cultural events such as pujas. I am serious with this issue, with your statement, and I do request, come out, be a courageous person and speak the truth. I only warn you and challenging you to come out and explain what do you mean by your statement.
Banyo jing pensyai halor kani kajing kentho jong uniu Singhania ubala kamru ba upen pau ya kani kajing knyum na kabenta ka ying kesem jong ka Longïing Singhania Baroh kawai hakani kanong ba Shillong Henry haba ka Don Bosco Media Network kalalit pan jing pensyai halor kani kajing Kren jong uniu Singhania kabalong Pyrshah ya kawai kabalang Kristan kaba kajing le niam kalong tang Kyntait kenta hakatarik kabalabo. Kabas ngawlingo kalong Baroh kita kidukot jang Longïing Singhania kibelajan kot spa Baroh kibasyong basa hakani kanong ba Shillong lapalat spa senem minta kila Kyntait beki itu ya uniu Singhania bat kila ujor kelaru syaki pulit Pyrshah ya u halor kajing Kren Pyrshah ya kajing le niam jong kiwei pat kinyam hakani kanong ba Shillong kabalong tang shisin shisnem.
SL Singhania.
Shankarlal, puro naam bolo na.
Shankarlal Singhania. This S. Singhania, who has written the article, he does not belong to our family in any way. That is why after reading this, I have given the statement to the people and I have filed an FIR to the police to find out who is this S. Singhania. He does not belong to the Singhania family at all in Shillong. How could one write such articles which is creating animosity between communities? So, our family is here 150 years with human service right from great earthquake of 1897 till date. So how come we can write to such an, it is just nothing to create animosity between different faiths.
So you have any idea about this person?
We respect all the religions, you see. Why should we disrespect? Now this event is going on for such a long time. Have anyone has written against it? Nobody. Why all of a sudden when this Singhania springs up from somewhere and writes against it? I don't understand what is the motive behind. But only motive which I can understand is to defame our name, defame the name of the Singhanias who are here for 150 years now. So this is my statement, you see. And that is why we have filed an FIR with the police. They please find out who this culprit is, so that the real justice can be done. Oh, there may be about nearly
70 to 80 people.
About nearly 100. Nearly 100.
None of them are involved.
None of them. Because we inquired everybody, nobody is involved. So it is somewhere else who has written this article just to defame our name, to malign our name.